This is a series of videos in which Philip Maris interviews Dr. John Ricketts, the author of the book Exceeding the Goal: Adventures in Strategy, Information Technology, Computer Software, Technical Services, and Goldrat's Theory of Constraints. Why is aligning technical strategy and business strategy so hard? I mean, to my mind, the main value of your book, Exceeding the Goal, is all about that. It's about using the theory of constraints or constraint management to better align technical strategy and business strategy. So tell me about it. Why is that so hard?
Strategic alignment simply means making sure that whatever gets committed in business strategy is actually feasible in technical strategy. And whatever gets done in technical strategy directly benefits business strategy. Technical strategy should reflect how much the business depends on technology. Is it an adjunct or a core competency? Is it a commodity or specialized? Is it stable, endangered, or evolving? Companies that study their custom software say that more than half is seldom or never used. They also say that more than half of software products they license have zero or negative business impact. Why? Because the software isn't addressing the constraint that limits what the business produces. Fortunately, this disconnect between technical strategy and business strategy is a solvable problem. Start by identifying your own constraint and your customers' constraints, then implement technology where it moves both needles. And if your suppliers are unable to keep up, help them identify and manage their constraints, because that can prevent their disruptions from affecting your business. It's common for IT projects to run into minor trouble and work their way out under the guidance of project managers. But when projects get into deep trouble, it means they have a high probability of missing a key business commitment. And in that case, it's time to call in rescue specialists with additional tools, skills, and an executive mandate to fix the problem. I once managed a team of project management top guns with this mission. Here are 3 common ways IT projects get into deep trouble. First is instability. The goal changes, resources get lost, or the client doesn't fulfill its responsibilities. Second, the project was a fantasy from the get-go. The goal was never attainable because the schedule was too short, or the resources were too few, or the technology was not capable. Third and finally, among the ways that IT projects get into trouble is misalignment. A successful IT project nonetheless misses the enterprise goal.
Great, John. Thanks a lot. It was a fascinating subject about aligning technical strategy and business strategy. That's the end of this series of videos concerning your book, Exceeding the Goal. Before we finish off, I'd just like to dedicate the last video to your adventures, because your book is a textbook in many ways, but it does have over 30 adventures, stories from your personal professional experience. Can you tell us about those in the next video?